Panchakarma is one of the well-performing department at Amrita School of Ayurveda. We have 11 well-equipped and maintained theatres, and we perform an average of 40 to 50 procedures per day in these theatres. We maintain a museum which holds the traditional Ayurvedic equipments which were used for the purpose of Panchakarma. Additionally, we have mannequins for the purpose of practical demonstrations. We have a separate unit called as Sulepa exclusively for the purpose of external applications, that is Lepas, for their assessments and scientific evaluations. We have another unit named Hidahara exclusively for the preparation of traditional Ayurvedic foods which needed for the treatments. We also have a separate unit called as Susnigdha exclusively for the collection, storage and administration of medicated ghee. And every year we used to collect this Ghrida as a part of Purana Ghrida Sangrahan.